popping on my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe because I really do appreciate it. And y'all, without further ado, my purse came in from Aliexpress. Which one? I'm not sure, but here it goes. So let's get into it. So this is quite small. So I know I ordered a few small bags. For some reason, I don't know why I'm starting to like small bags too. Now, don't get me wrong, I love my big duffel bags and stuff like that, but it's just like now, I don't know. Hold on, I'm not trying to cut anything. They didn't put my address on everything. Alright. And y'all, is it just me? But if you shop on Aliexpress, have y'all noticed their price has been creeping up? Now, I'm not complaining because it's still fairly cheap compared to the real deals. But, yeah, it seems like their prices kind of going a little, up, slight increase. And now it's really starting to become harder to find purses. Like, even when I'm using my words, y'all, I'm starting to have issues. So if y'all finding purses, let me know what's up. Because, Gucci bandana, Gucci. So this is a Gucci dupe. I remember this one. Uh-oh, it was heavy. Y'all, this is pretty. So this is the Gucci dupe of the GG Marmont Purse. It's the top handle. Oh, so cute. Carry it like this. It has the heart in the back. That's the signature for a lot of the Gucci purses. A lot of them with the double G's in the front, they have the hearts in the back. Especially with the, can't think of it right now, but a lot of the, the cutesy little small ones. Y'all, this is cute. And the double G's, the hardware is pretty good. Look like solid brass. I'm still gonna hit it with probably a coat or two of clear polish because I don't know if it's gonna tarnish now. So yes, this has the gold hardware. There's no feet at the bottom. It has a smell. With Aliexpress, you're going to get that smell. Now, it's not like a fishy smell, but it's just like industrial smell. So, it is what it is. Oh, y'all, I'm about to break the purse. Hold on, it's a locket. About to hit a purse up. So yeah, it's like a locket that you have to press this button up. So I just used some scissors and did it because I'm about to cut my nails. So this is the thing that it connects to. Let's look. So they didn't stuff this. I'm surprised because usually Aliexpress are good for stuffing the inside of their purses. I do have a strap so I can basically wear this, it says like a crossbody. But me, I'm just gonna wear it over my shoulder. So at the inside, it's like, beige, kind of like a, well, what does this feel like? Don't get me lying, but like a calfskin? I don't know, it got that little shag to it, like real smooth and silky, but it's not silk. There's a pocket right here, pocket right here. This purse is fairly big. It's a medium, small medium. This is not a purse that you're going to carry your whole life in. It's not. This is more like a classy purse. When I mean classy, like date night, you're going somewhere, you're trying to show out, something cute. This is the strap, fairly short. So no, you're not wearing this as a crossbody unless you're smaller than me and not as top heavy. So my choice is either to carry it by the top or over the shoulder. But yeah, y'all, this is the Marmont. I hope I'm saying it right. Marmont. But yeah, this is the Marmont. I think it's pretty cute. It's pretty classy. The pieces that I'm now adding to my purse collection, if you haven't seen my prior video, I want to have like fun purses. So I want to have the bright purses, fun, spunky, kind of like Who's That Girl over there. But then I want some classic stuff. Like sometimes, you know, you want to just be casual or dress up or going to brunch or a dinner date. Sometimes you don't want to be as loud. You want something that's a little sophisticated, which there's nothing wrong with being loud, but sometimes you just need something that doesn't push the envelope as much. Like say if you're going somewhere like, and there's a dress code. If they say no, 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 you can't just be like, oh, I'm going anyway. No, you have to abide by the dress code. So I feel like this is something pretty, you know, sexy and classy for a dressy type night. And I like the size of it. Let's see. Got some paper towels right here. If you can see, like compared to the paper towel, it's pretty like darn big. And this is the average size, you know, paper towel, Scott's or Bounty, whatever the people is, paper towel. So it's pretty big for the most part. I think what I can see going in here is like my cell phone, some wipes, disinfectant wipes, sanitizer, hand sanitizer, lip gloss, my glasses, maybe a few other essentials, you know, maybe my medication, a little snack. But other than that, I don't see that much, you know, filling into these purses. And then it's like with Aliexpress, even though you're getting a dupe, replica, whatever the case may be, you want to take care of your purse. So whether it's real, fake, who cares? You still want to take care of your stuff. If you take care of your stuff, you know, it'll last longer no matter if it's the real deal or cheap. So yeah, sometimes I can be hard on my purses only because like I might sit it on the floor, I might rub against the wall or something, like, you know, whatever. But most of the time, like I pretty much take care of my purses. So, you know, don't sleep on Aliexpress now. It might take forever for your stuff to come, but it's worth it. So yeah, guys, this is the, hold on, let me take a what's the little picture, my little no, but yeah, y'all definitely check this purse out. Unfortunately, I can't leave links below because it's Aliexpress and y'all know the deal. But when it comes to Aliexpress, you want to make sure you use your words. Luxury bags with an S, luxury handbags with an S, luxury handbags, bags, you know, just switch it up because they're trying to crack down, but you know, you can't hold us down. So yeah, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video and I hope you enjoyed. See ya.